everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another exciting video. Today I'm planning to make very famous and delicious chicken changezi. It's a very old recipe. I'm trying to follow Delhi style recipe. Please enjoy this video and thanks for tuning in. So for this recipe I have a 1 kilo of chicken leg. So I cut into small sizes and also I make a cut like a tandoori chicken style. And also I have yogurt. So first we're gonna marinate the chicken. So I have a half a cup of yogurt. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili pepper, garam masala half a teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, chili flakes half a teaspoon, and also I have a chaat masala. I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon also. So first we're gonna mix everything together in yogurt, make like a sauce. And also lemon juice, about half a lemon, and also ginger garlic paste, about teaspoon. So we're gonna marinate, mix everything together. Marination is ready. So now we're gonna marinate our chicken. So our marination is ready. I'm gonna pour top of the chicken. Some people use orange color also for this recipe, but I try not to use food color so much. Keep it natural. So now we're gonna rub all this marination into the chicken nicely. So our chicken is marinated. We're gonna leave it in the fridge for half an hour. So now we're gonna put our cooking pot. It's a heavy cooking pot stove. We're gonna add some oil, couple of tablespoon worth of oil. Since our chicken is marinating in the fridge, we're gonna add onion. It's about 1 large onion slice. So we're gonna saute our onion. So now we're gonna add our cashew nuts. I have here like 20 pieces, 15 to 20 pieces of cashew. We're gonna saute along with the onion. We just lightly saute onion, not too much color on it. We're gonna add a little bit of salt. At this moment, we're gonna add our tomato. It's a 2 large tomato slice. Also, we're just gonna mix everything together. So we're gonna cover the lid and cook it for 5 minutes until our tomato is soft. Lower the heat. So it's been cooking for 5 minutes. So you can see our tomato is soft, onion is nicely cooked, and our cashew also roasted a little bit. So now we're gonna take it out. into our blender. So we're gonna blend everything together. So now we're gonna blend our tomato, onion. So our sauce is blend. Make sure it's look like this, really smooth. So it's been 30 minutes already, so I'm gonna start frying our chicken. So I'm gonna add oil, 2 tablespoons of oil, and then we're gonna start grilling our chicken. So we're gonna cook off around 4 to 5 minutes each side. We're gonna turn the side after. So now we're gonna turn our side of our chicken. So our chicken is cooked. You can see it's nicely colored. So we're gonna remove from the pan. See, nicely colored. In the same pan, we have lots of oil here. So we're gonna add a little bit of butter. About 2 tablespoons of butter. One teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. We're gonna saute everything the same to get the nice flavor of the oil. It's already there. We're gonna add half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander, and salt to taste. We're gonna mix everything together, nicely color. We'll let it cook all the spices. Now we're gonna add our mixed onion tomato, which is we blend earlier. So we're gonna add it to the oil. So stay away from the fire because it's splash. So be careful whenever you're making this. So add some water and remove all the mix. So we have to saute all the spices nicely. So at this point we're going to cover the lid because it's splashing too much and let it cook on the medium heat. So our sauce is almost ready. See, the oil is coming up, so it's means the sauce is cooked perfectly. Now we're gonna add some milk, about 5 tablespoons worth of milk. We're gonna let it cook also, and also about teaspoon of worth of dry kasturi methi. I'm gonna add it to the sauce. I'm gonna let it cook. So now we're gonna add our chicken, slide it into the sauce. Just roll it over. So we're gonna cover the lid and let it cook until our chicken is nicely tender. For lower the heat. So it's been 15 minutes, it's simmering, it's almost ready. So we're gonna remove the lids and have a look. Wow, look amazing. So our chicken changezi is ready. So we're gonna do some presentation. We're gonna finish it off with the cream. We're gonna add a little bit of cream. Look amazing. So at least 2 to 3 tablespoons worth of cream. Some chopped chilies, coriander, freshly chopped. Voila! So thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Came out very nice, look amazing, and also tastes amazing. Please do try this recipe. It's pretty easy to make and it tastes delicious. Everyone loves it. Also follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. And if you like our video, consider subscribe our channel. I will be back pretty soon. Take care of yourself. Stay safe. Love is everyone.